Good morning folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. So today I'm going to be making some raised planter beds. So I've just been setting the stall out basically. I've got all the tools I need for the job. I've got my circular saw, I've got a speed square, I've got some clamps, I've got, all my workings out. I've got the timber. Now this timber was actually purchased at a very good price. There was a sale on basically, so I snapped them up while I could. So what I've tried to do is to make sure that there's going to be the minimum possible wastage. So all of these lengths here are 2.4 meters long. So I've just basically made it nice and easy to sort of work out what I need to do. The length of these planters are going to be 1.2 meters, 1200 mils. In other words, these boards, you just cut them straight down the middle. The width is 600, so we're going to get 4 cuts out of a sheet. Yeah, it's all pretty straightforward, look okay. Now the blade on the circular saw cuts from underneath, so I want the best cut on the other side, i.e. the side which is going to be exposed. Right, okay, so we've cut 12 at 1200 millimeters, and now we need to cut 12 at 600 millimeters. Right, okay, so we've got 12 lengths, 12 widths, and now we need some legs. So the legs we're going to go for 600 long. Now it would be quite easy just to take the easy way out, wouldn't it, and just be to put some butt joints on here, look. But that would be the cowardly way out, wouldn't it? I'm just going to have a play at cutting some spare board and have a little practice at cutting some miters. So let's see if we can miter these end bits here, okay? So now we need to start assembling these. Obviously we're going to have a leg in each corner and start building them up. So this is what we've got so far then. So as you can see, they're certainly not perfect, but obviously need more practice with the circular saw. But anyway, moving on. So what I'm now going to do is to cut some timbers, some which will lie horizontally about halfway down, and I shall have one on that side, one on this side, and I shall use those to support slats running across the base there. Okay, so now we've got these horizontal lengths in here, we need to start cutting the slats. So I just need to do a quick calculation as to how many I'm going to need to span this distance here. Right, okay, so we need cutouts on either corner, both sides, that side and that side, and for that one as well. So I've just measured and marked. I'm just going to take these shaded areas out. Right, so we now have bases in both of the planters. So the only other thing I've got to do, apart from drilling some drainage holes in each of the planks, is to put a border on the top here. So I don't want it to be completely flush with the side. I want it to just stick out a little bit. I don't know, perhaps 25-30 mil, something like that. So I'm just going to work out some measurements and cut the boards. Right, okay guys, so they're done now. They're not perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but bearing in mind it's the first time I've done something like this, you know, they're okay.
How many kinds of sweet flowers grow in an English country garden? I'll tell you now of some that I know, and those I miss you'll surely pardon.